Today I have an awesome video that I want to share. We will learn about becoming a freelance writer and online freelance writing for beginners in this video. The video I'm going to show you was created using an amazing tool that can quickly generate a video from any given text. I prefer to utilize both my own voice and one of the system's AI voices. By using my own voice, I can show people that I'm a real guy working as an influencer to give people inspiration. Check out the link in the comment section below this video if you are curious to learn more about the video tool that I use. I want to inspire people to start their own online businesses because I know it really isn't hard, even if people think it is. The hard part about building momentum in your business is coming up with new content all the time. Many people give up because it takes way too long. They didn't know it could take months, a year, or even longer. But I am excited right now because of the video tool I use, because I can get content out much more quickly. I have managed to scale up my traffic much more thanks to that. I'm telling people about two great products. The first is the tool for making videos that I've been talking about. Then we have my full-blown digital training portal. This is how I recommend people to start a business online, because this is what I use. This is my main solution. Without it, it wouldn't be possible. So that system or solution is a high-ticket system that I use. It allows me to have $1,000 days inside of my business, working from home on my laptop. I will share more about it at the end of the video if you are interested, but for now, without further ado, over to you, Oliver.
Thank you, Anders. Freelance writing is perfect for you if you enjoy writing or are currently a blogger. Every single item you see online is content, and companies will pay to have it made for them. Writing for a living is very lucrative. For many markets, getting paid $200 for a 1,000-word piece is the norm. This is a fantastic way to travel for cash. Beginning online freelance writing. It's time to write a standout query or cover letter and begin looking for employment now that you've made the decision to launch an online freelance writing business. Great freelance writing possibilities are constantly posted on a number of online employment platforms. New authors must go above and beyond to stand out in the highly competitive world of internet writing. 1. Write a strong query letter. Before assigning or accepting an article, editors want to make sure that the topic or subject matter fits their list of current demands. Many online sites and magazines accept material on spec. A thorough query letter that defines your proposal and includes details on sources and article direction is preferred by many online publishers, though. A good query letter should hook the editor and be no longer than 2 paragraphs. 2. Market analysis. Pitch an incorrect concept to an editor if you want a prompt rejection. Editors are busy and lack the time or tolerance to deal with inexperienced authors who don't do their homework before submitting their work. A needs list, contact information for various departments, and other details are published in several online publications guidelines. Ask for specific topics in an email or letter to the editor if you want to stay ahead of the competition. 3. Review your work for mistakes. It can be challenging to spot our own writing errors. It therefore helps to have a second set of eyes review and revise query letters and articles before submitting them to an editor. Even if you have a fantastic article idea, if your query letter or entire manuscript has a lot of mistakes, the editor can reject it. 4. Do not personalize it. A freelance writing profession might not be the best choice for you if you have trouble handling rejection. You'll need to pitch numerous newspapers if you want to be a freelance writer and make a living wage. A rejection letter does not suggest that you are a bad writer. In many cases, the requirement for your suggested topic is unnecessary. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Hey, Oliver, I love the video. Thanks for sharing. Today I want to know if you are willing to keep putting your attention on your desire to make money. If so, there is also a significant distinction between producing money for the benefit of others and generating money at their expense. There are so many people that don't understand the value of being at the service of others. And so many people are not making money because of that. They are skipping service in the deal, and they are missing the most important key to becoming successful online. Because to them, profiting at the pain of others is the only goal. I think the cause of such is that they put too much emphasis on copying others without realizing the abilities needed to succeed. They focus only on driving traffic to the offer without caring about contributing their own value. Why should people trust you if you are just spamming copied content with your offer? You must be able to motivate and coach others to get started if you wish to approach the situation correctly. I know a place where you can get all the instructions that you require in order to learn how to do that, and I can show you how to get there. There you will also get the program that will allow you to quit your job and live a freedom-based lifestyle. I will link to my landing page in the description. There you will see a red button that you can click if you are not interested in watching my free video training. That button will take you to the system I use to make money online, and all you have to do is follow the instructions. Alright, why not click like if you learned something useful? This will help my YouTube channel become more visible on YouTube. I do appreciate your help. You can see more videos like the one you just watched by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. The bell icon is there to notify you when I upload a new video. So long, I will see you in my next video. Bye.